Hey guys, this is my 1 year review of my 2021 Kohler Highline. Force is still pretty good here. So far, this toilet hasn't even clogged yet. And that's why I like these toilets so much. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.